Good morning, dear student. I am Ankur Tiwari, physics teacher from Prabhat Kids School, Akola. So, welcome to our new grade, that is Human Eye and Colorful World. We have already learned about the refraction of light, and in last lecture, I said you the JPG image related with the dispersion of light. So, for PT2 syllabus, our three topics are remains to taught, that is dispersion of light, scattering of light, and application of the scattering. So, what are our topics here, students? First, we will see dispersion of light, dispersion of light. Okay. So, dear student, what is meant by dispersion? We know the white light is a combination of 7 colors. That is called Visual. So, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. And we have already learned about the refraction of light through the glass prism. So, what happens in the prism? Let's recall about the prism. We know we have seen the triangular prism. That what happens in the prism? Prism, the front shape is like this. This is called angle A, angle of prism. So what happens when a light incident on the prism, it interfaces air to glass. Then what happens? It bends from this point. From this point, this is the point of incident. Here we draw a line that is called as normal. Then what happens? It bends towards the normal, and then here again we draw the second normal line, and then it move away from the normal. So which ray? This is the incident ray. Yes, incident ray. This is angle of incident, I. This is normal. Okay. We know this is angle of refraction and this is angle of emergent, and this ray is called as emergent ray. Emergent ray. So and this is the angle of emergent. So what happens when light enter into the prism? It bends towards the normal, and after from prism to air, it bends away from the normal. So here incident ray, reflected ray, emergent ray, three rays are formed. So same way happen in the dispersion. What happens in case of the dispersion of light? Again I am trying to draw here the second prism, dear student. This is a prism. Okay. So dear student, what happens when white light enters? This is the sunlight enters into the prism. So it gets dispersed, split into its 7 constituent color. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again I am drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this 7. This band of 7 color is from which light? This is, dear student, this is a white light. White light. And white light gets split into the 7 colors. The sequence of these colors are, which are the sequence? So the sequence, this first color go like this colors go like this, these colors bend like this, these colors go 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 like this. Here the band of 7 colors is formed. Dear students, these are the band of 7 colors. So which color these are? So first color is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. This color is violet. This is indigo. This is blue. This is green. This is yellow. This is orange, and this is a red. So dear student, splitting up of white light into 7 constituent colors is called as dispersion of light. So what is meant by dispersion? Here I am writing the definition, dear student. Splitting white light into its 7 constituent color. Is called dispersion of light. Dispersion of light. So dispersion means the splitting of white light into the its 7 constituent colors. So what is mean of this band of 7 colors? So note down one more point, dear student, the band of seven color is called spectrum. What is meant by band of seven color? This band of seven color is called as spectrum. Spectrum. Okay, so this is the definition of the dispersion. The splitting of white light into its seven constituent color is called as dispersion of light, and the band of seven color is called as dispersion. And dear student, in nature we have seen so many phenomena. How rainbow is formed? The formation of rainbow. You know, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So here student, the least color is violet. It means what? Violet is at the bottom and red is at the top. So rainbow is formed that the water droplet present in the atmosphere, it acts as a small prism. So what happens when the white light comes enter into the atmosphere, that water droplet act as a prism and it disperses the light and the formation of rainbow. Rainbow is always formed opposite to the side of the sun. If sun is at east, the rainbow is formation at the west. If sun is at west, the rainbow is formed at the east. Rainbow is generally formed in the rainy season. It is before rain, after the rain. So this is all about the dispersion of light. Even Isaac Newton sir have done the beautiful experiment. What he had did, the Isaac Newton sir, what he did, he take a prism. He took the prism and white light enters and incident white light on the prism. So what happened? Again this white light disperses into its seven constituent color like this. Seven color. Again Isaac Newton sir, what he did? He take another prism and he kept that prism inverted. Means parallel to this, he kept another prism in the inverted size. Like this. So what happened? This light enter into this prism. And again what happened, dear student? These seven colors again form the white light. Like this. This is a white light. And this is again the white light. So this was an experiment done by this Sir Isaac Newton, completed by this Sir Isaac Newton. If we kept two prisms inverted in the position and pass white light through the prism, so what happens? That white light get dispersed into seven constituent color in the first prism, and after enter into the second prism, again that seven constituent color get converted into the white light. This experiment are done by the Sir Isaac Newton sir. This all about the dispersion of light. Dispersion is splitting up of white light into its seven constituent color. And we have already seen what happens when the light enters into the medium prism. So obviously it gets the angle deviated. So we have learned about the deviation angle also. Dear student, what is meant by the angle of deviation? Again I am drawing one prism here, big prism. See. Okay. When white light enters into the prism, what happens? It gets, from this point we have drawn the normal line. Then it refracted. Then again we are drawing the second normal. It bent away from the normal. So what happened? Assuming that the incident ray is going to this direction, and assuming that the emergent ray is coming from this direction, here one angle is formed. This angle there is called the angle of deviation. Now the angle of deviation, this content is skipped by the CBSE, but you should remember the question will be asked. This is incident ray, this is angle of incident, this is normal one, this is refracted ray, this is angle of refraction, this is emergent ray, this is angle of emergence, and this is the angle of deviation. This is all about the angle of deviation. Then you can draw it. This is called angle of deviation. Okay. And dear student, one more thing. The speed of light in air is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meters per second. But remember one thing. The speed of light, when it enters into the prism medium, the speed of light is different. The violet light having the different speed than that indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So red is the faster. The uppermost light ray is the fastest, and the orange is slower than red. Yellow is slower than orange. green is slower than yellow, blue, because this light having the different wavelength. The maximum wavelength, red color have the maximum wavelength. Red, what's red? Maximum wavelength. You know wavelength in 9th standard sound chapter, lambda, maximum wavelength. Then violet, minimum wavelength. The violet color having the minimum wavelength. So this is all about the dispersion. Dispersion, so many phenomena in day-to-day life. Even the students are playing the game with that bubbles. Okay, when they are blowing the bubbles of that baking soda or washing soda, so what? Oh, sorry, washing soda bubbles. So when it disperses into the atmosphere, we can see, and even you can see the dispersion directly through the prism. When the sunlight passes enter into the prism, that you will see the dispersion of light. So dear student, this is a very interesting phenomena related with the prism, that is dispersion of light. Dispersion of light is related with the reflection. So all about the dispersion. So I hope that you understand it well, that white light is a combination of 7 colors. The band of 7 colors is called as spectrum. Okay, and this is the small experiment we have did earlier with the prism. Okay, this is about the angle of deviation, and this was the Newton's experiment. It was the Newton's experiment. So Newtons are also contribute in case of reflection of light, in case of optics also. Even I earlier told you the Newtons are also studied about the particle theory of the light. Light is a particle, it's not a wave. So this is all about the dispersion of light. I hope that you understand it well. Thank you very much.